General Christopher Abrahano, sir.
To the Honorable Chairman of the House Committee on Human Rights, Representative Bienvenido Abante, to the distinguished members of the committee, and to our fellow resource persons present in today's hearing, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I am Police Brigadier General Christopher Abrahano. On behalf of the Philippine National Police, I appear before this honorable committee in my capacity as Director of the CIDG. The CIDG serves as the primary investigative arm of the PNP, mandated to pursue serious and organized crimes and to ensure that the rule of law is upheld with full respect for human rights. We recognize the importance of today's hearings, which concerns the reported cases of alleged killings involving the so-called missing Sabongeros. The CIDG has been at the forefront of these investigations, fully cognizant of the gravity of the matter and the urgent call for justice by the victims, families, and the Filipino people. In the pursuit of truth, the CIDG has exerted extensive effort to gather evidence, identify persons of interest, and reconstruct the circumstances surrounding the disappearances. These investigative actions have been carried out in close coordination with the Department of Justice, particularly the National Prosecution Service, to ensure that the evidence we obtain is translated into prosecutorial action and ultimately accountability before the courts of law. On August 1, 2025, the CIDG has submitted to the DOJ for evaluation and eventual preliminary investigation the cases against 62 respondents. These possible cases are multiple murder, kidnapping, obstruction of justice, and enforced disappearances. As the Director of the CIDG, I reaffirm our unwavering commitment to pursue every lead, exhaust all legal remedies, and extend full cooperation with this honorable committee. We remain steadfast in our mission to enforce the law, protect our citizens, and uphold justice, not only as a matter of mandate, but also as a solemn duty to the families of the victims and to our nation. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Comsec.